Check out this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.